What's up, guys? So, surprise, surprise, I'm back in Tobago. And I'm here with David from Island Grill Tours.
Hey, guys.
And Anna, who's also Island Grill Tours. Of course, you know, they have all the other sites and books and henna and which I'll put all that below in the description. And this is a completely random mission. You know how it is. Where are you all taking me today?
So we're going to go down to King Peter's Bay.
King Peter's Bay.
Which is known as the darkest sand beach in Tobago.
Okay, nice. Anna, are you excited?
I'm always excited for adventure. Always.
I like that. Shout out to Kristen and Jason, who are not part of this adventure. They were too lazy and stayed home in Trinidad, and we don't respect that at all.
And Ariel is busy working.
Ariel is working. So let's head down. It's not going to be a long vlog, but we're going to check out this beautiful beach. And I've taken you out now. Right, guys, so we just turned down King Peter's Bay Road, and it's pretty much a long winding road all the way down to this beautiful little black sand beach. So there's a lot to see, but it's a lot of the same thing over and over. Nice fields and mountains. So I'm going to put the GoPro into hyperspeed, check it out, and before you know it, we'll be at the beach itself. Here we are at the amazing King Peter's Bay. The first thing you see when you pull up here, sea turtle nesting site. I know at this point it should be common sense, not dirty beaches or make a mess or whatever, but please respect it now, you know, especially for the animals and things. Check out this beautiful pirogue. So let's go and take a walk and look at the beach.
Alan,
Hi.
it's already boy.
Sorry, what's your name?
Hi, Paul Reed
Paul Reed.
from Forestry.
Very nice to meet you. Hi.
Hello, Shahida.
Shahida.
Yeah.
And my name is Alan. You're also now on my YouTube channel. Unless, of course, you don't want to be, and then I can edit this part out.
It's fine.
Thank you.
I look at your videos and tell people to look at me.
I appreciate it.
Very nice.
And thank you for joining us on this beautiful day with all this beautiful water and sunshine and all to yourself.
our islands, right?
Yes.
Yep.
The best.
So we're taking our first walk out onto King Peter's Beach here, and you'll notice immediately that the sand is pretty much black, but as David will explain,
It's just this part of the island, the terrain. You know, if you go over here, Cotton Bay is a different color. Just up the road this way, Englishman Bay is a different color. It's just the nature of this part of Tobago. You know, it's so diverse, and we have, you know, the blackest sand here on this part, right?
so I'm looking at this point out in the corner here, and around that point is Cotton Bay, correct?
Yes.
Right? So you guys may or may not know of Cotton Bay, but it's a very famous beach in Tobago that people constantly go to on boat tours and stuff, and it actually just happens to be right next to King Peter's Bay. So I'm gonna walk around the beach a little bit, and we're gonna send the drone up and let's have a look.
Yeah.
A new place, a new home for a while. Let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by. Life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky, I the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way, I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way.
No, where David is.
Over the rock there somewhere.
Oh Jesus, he didn't tell me he was going.
Watch, look, he's waving. Watch
Oh
him.
my God. David is on that rock out there. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this beautiful little tour of King Peter's Bay. A definite hidden gem in Tobago and one worth checking out. Respect it when you come, do not litter. It's a turtle nesting site. Come in groups, don't come alone because you know it is secluded, although safe. You can never be too safe. So thank you very much to my boy David.
Thank you, Alan.
David, interesting fact, just climbed up on those rocks over there, but I had already landed the drone, so he did it all in vain, and now he's just, you know, he got some good exercise.
To go over to Cotton Bay, it was nice.
It was nice, it was
But
nice.
tricky.
And we can't believe him because I have no proof of that.
Yeah, don't
Thank
believe
you,
everything.
Anna.
You're most welcome.
I think I'll be seeing you all later to come and grill some veggies on the barbie.
Oh, definitely. Let's get some food involved in this.
Yes, definitely some food involved.
Trini surface ceviche.
Some Trini surface ceviche. That's right. I will be making my famous ceviche that's not famous because you have never heard of it. Guys, thank you very much. Check out Island Grill Tours.
Thank you,
Check
guys.
out Pixie Henna.
Alright, Alan. Woo!
Woo! Goodbye.